Hey, what's up everybody, Josh here, and today I'm taking a look at the HP U28 4K HDR monitor. This is a VISA certified HDR 400 display that has been factory color calibrated, which is great for photo editing and video editing, obviously. As the name implies, it is a 28-inch display. It's a 1000:1 contrast ratio, and it is 4K, as in 3840 by 2160. Also, cool thing about HP's monitors, a lot of their monitors, they're using ocean-bound plastics in their products. Electronics is notorious for not really being that environmentally friendly. So at least the plastic parts here are made out of that recycled plastic. But let me tell you a little bit more about the features of this monitor. We have a really lovely adjustable stand on the back, and if you want it to turn 90 degrees, you do have that option. You just tilt it and swivel it over like that, and you've got your vertical display. Now, if we take a look at the back here, this thing is removable from the stand. It is VISA mount compatible, and you have a handful of options for inputs and outputs here. You have DisplayPort, HDMI, you have a whole slew of USB-A's and Thunderbolt, a headphone jack, and of course your power plug. Now, you may have noticed I have a laptop here with me that I'm going to try this out with, so let's go ahead and plug in the power and start it up. I should also mention that there's a detachable cable organizer on the back, and the power button is on the bottom of the display. So here's one of the beautiful things about this display, is that it is a Thunderbolt display. So I have a single USB-C cable, so I'm going to plug that in, and then I'm going to plug the other end into my PC here. And we'll see if it mirrors. There it is. Nice. Now, the cool thing about this setup is that this laptop is powered via its USB-C Thunderbolt port, and the monitor is supplying it with the 65 watts it needs to charge or to run. So not only am I powering my laptop, but I'm also powering all the ports on the back of the display, including the headphone jack. It's just a really beautiful setup with a single cable. The display itself is crisp and clear with that thin bezel around the outside. Now, I did have one problem with this monitor that I did not expect, and that was I had noise in my headphones when I was running it through the monitor in this configuration. So it's very possible that I just didn't download a driver I was supposed to use in order to use that, but I am going to reach out to HP and see what the problem was there and put an update in the description once I figure that out. Other than that, this is a fantastic monitor, and I was really happy to use it. Unfortunately, it's just a loaner, so I'm gonna have to send it back at this point, but it actually got me through a couple projects while I had it. So the point of this video was kind of just to show off this monitor. There are definitely things I haven't talked about, features that are in the menu, for instance, and color accuracy and that sort of thing, but I'm gonna drop a link in the description if you wanna purchase one for yourself or just see the specs. But that's pretty much all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. You can find me elsewhere on the web on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and on joshmcdoris.com. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.